Check this out here. It's incredibly fast. We're talking almost 1,000 tokens per second. All right, so I thought this was pretty darn cool. Just want to make a quick video about that, and that is the new chat interface. Now, I don't know if this has existed before. I just came across this today. It looks like it might be a new announcement, or maybe they updated it. Anyway, this is from a company, I believe, called Mistral, something like that. And it is a French company. Anyways, they've got some great models that are actually open source. The Mistral models, the mixture of experts, basically. Anyways, that's free. You can access that. They've set up an instance here where you can interact with it, much like ChatGPT. And so first thing I just want to show you here, I've got a pre-canned prompt here. I just want to show you how incredibly fast this was. At least this is the very first thing I noticed. So yeah, that's very impressive. Also, the code here upon initial inspection looks pretty darn good, looks accurate. The other example I threw at it was pretty darn close to accurate. I believe it was an exact match with what I wanted it to produce. And so right now I'm using an anonymous chat window here. I just wanted to go through that first scenario. If you are anonymous, I think you have limited access to some of the features. There's a canvas feature as well as image gen. I'm going to close this though. I want to come over here. I've got an account where I signed in. You can of course sign up for this. And when you do that, there's a free tier. Of course, there's pro tiers as well. Anyways, on the free tier, once you sign up here, you can see there's a code interpreter model available. So let's do this here. Let's just have it show me how to use the code interpreter feature. I'm assuming it can run some code here that it can create, and you can maybe see some output, interact with it. Let's just find out here. All right, so it's basically explaining this is a sandbox feature. And would you like me to go ahead and do this? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Yes. Assuming maybe it integrates with that canvas feature. What's this over here? Okay, so there's a code output. All right, so it wrote some simple code here, ran the code. Looks pretty darn close to accurate. Why don't I just copy this and see if I can run this myself to confirm that? Paste that in. Yeah, looks like I've got the same answer here. So down below, there's a canvas feature. I'm wondering if I could get it to turn this code example into a canvas example. I wonder if I should ask it or just do it. Okay, so I need to enable the feature, of course. Click that on. And let's see if it sets up the canvas now. Whoa, cool. All right, so yeah, this is the other example I saw online, which really caught my eye, was you've got this little code editor here, basically, and you can go ahead and make changes to this. Let's ask it to do something different here. How about, let's just say, show me the factorial of 20 and 30. Let's just do that. All right, you can run this code to see the result. Where's that at? That's interesting. What is this? Oh, okay. There's two different interfaces. You can go back to the chat style if you like that, or you can come back to the canvas feature. Where is the run button at? I don't see the run button. Yeah, okay, yeah, please run it. Yep, so yeah, I mean, that's fine by me. All right, one last thing I wanted to look at was the web search feature. So let's ask it a question here. So I'm gonna ask it to link me to an article about itself and when it was released, since I'm not certain when this was actually released. Oh, so this has been around for a while. All right. They must have added some new features to it. Okay, so what do we have here? Citations. All right, interesting. Well, that's not new. Okay, that's been around since November. It's got, of course, the sources panel on the right. Let's ask it what features were added in February 2025. The mobile app, okay. I just hate the reader view hides the dates on these articles. All right, so this is February 6th. Yeah, this is today. Okay. New service tiers, pro and team tiers. So maybe they added a paid plan as well. Come on, show me the date on these things. And I don't know why in the reader view they can't extract the date off of things. So wait a minute, it said that this has been around for a while. Is that accurate? Yeah, this is February 2024. All right, so, oh, it's the all new version of it. Okay, that's why I saw this in there promoting the fact that this is an all new version of their chat feature. And then don't forget, they've got the open source model as well. If you come out here to Olama, for example, search for Mistral. There you go. You can download the latest version, and you can see this was updated recently. I don't know when they made changes to their models and when they released the latest version, but it looks like this is probably the most recent version anyways, or at least something was updated in this collection.